Hello, are you sick of your water bill being too high? Maybe you're tired of seeing water run down the street after the sprinklers run for your turf areas. Well, we are running a special right now to change out your sprinkler heads with MP Rotators. Now, MP Rotators, what you see behind me, they're these sprinklers that shoot little streams, and what they do is they use a third of the amount of water that goes onto the yard. The reason that's important is it gives the ground more time to absorb the water, and it actually is more accurate when watering the entire yard. They actually have different levels of streams that go out, so you even have water getting right in front of the sprinkler head where your traditional pop-ups don't even do this. So we're running a special through the end of January where if you get at least 6 MP Rotators replaced, where your traditional pop-ups, switch them out with MP Rotators, we're gonna do that for $30 a rotator. Now, normally we charge $40 to change these out, but we're really offering this special to save people money and to also improve the efficiency of their yard. And also, what it'll do is it'll decrease your water bill and just give you better coverage in your yard. You'll actually find that the areas that didn't seem to get quite enough water will actually start to fill in because MP Rotators are that much more accurate when watering your turf areas. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. If you have any questions at all, give us a call here at 602-944-0421. Also check out our website at azlawns.com. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.